Another summer day has come and gone away from Paris or Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. Just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. Let me go home. I've had my run, baby, I'm done. I gotta go home. Let me go home. It'll all be alright. I'll be home tonight. I'm coming back home.
Halika na, pumikit, limutin ang problema. Hihintayin ang umaga.
Magpahinga, panaginip ng kaligaya. Darating din ang umaga.
Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umagang kay ganda. Parang sikat ng araw, may dalang liwanag sa ating pangarap. Haharapin natin,
Haharapin natin ang sikat ng araw na may dalang liwanag.
gumising na,
Why a jigsaw puzzle? We are all part of the whole jigsaw puzzle. At times, some of us find it hard to fit in. And we define ourselves according to that little space we are supposed to fill in the whole puzzle. But it is hard to complete because all the other pieces are moving around and the whole puzzle gets moved as well. So we cannot seem to ever fill the gaps. It is always jumbled up. But the good news is, each and every jigsaw piece is special. Each piece is unique in size, shape, and color. And each piece offers a small preview of a bigger picture. The puzzle may always be jumbled up, but the beauty of the whole thing is that it has the potential of being formed. Sure, the chances of this happening are pretty remote, but as long as the pieces are complete, there is always that chance that it will be whole. Even if it seems difficult and impossible, we will always try to fix it. That is where the beauty of life lies. The fact that we are all pitching in, trying to fix the puzzle. But if one piece does not cooperate, if one piece decides to give up on the whole thing because things are not always right and decides to walk away, the chance of having that puzzle completed is gone forever. That is how important one piece is. Each piece has the power to make the whole picture incomplete forever.
You want